Hi, I'm duolinMax, and I'm excited to learn with you. Part 1, Ordering Drinks.
Coffee, 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 coffee. Tea, 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 tea. Coffee, tea, coffee and tea. Coffee and tea. Sugar, 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 sugar.
Milk, 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 milk. Tea with milk. Tea with milk.
Coffee with sugar. Coffee with sugar.
Tea with milk.
Coffee with sugar. Coffee with sugar.
Tea with milk.
Coffee with sugar.
Tea with milk.
Talk to me, and I talk back.
Hello, duolinMax.
Hello, Lily. Coffee, please.
With sugar?
No, thanks. Water, 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 water. Coffee or tea? Tea. Coffee or tea? Coffee. Tea or water? Water. Talk to me, and I talk back.
Hello, duolinMax. Milk or water?
No, tea, please.
Okay,